What's up guys, it's TheGearChange here, back with another video. Today I'm doing a POV driving video with the XR5. Had a few of you request me do something like this. I've tried recording audio with this setup. I got like a little earpiece in here with a microphone setup with the exhaust, and it's not too bad. I think I need to like work on the placement a little bit just to kind of get it in the right spot. Currently I have it in the engine bay, just testing that out to see, you know, if I can get some cool intake noises and stuff like that. So yeah, just here at Seaside Ave, Mermaid Beach, just gonna go for a little cruise, and then yeah, once I hit sort of like the end of the beach area, I'll probably head back home. So yeah, I'll take it for a little spin and see how we go. So I got my microphone set up, make sure my volume's up all the way. Sweet. See if I can adjust this a little bit. That should do. Alright, let's get out of here without scraping. Probably have to go into this driveway here. Oh. Turning circle, not very good on this car. At all. Creep forward a bit. No cyclists, no cars. Sweet. Do not think they were happy with that big pop. Honestly, anyone who has a 5-cylinder or drives a 5-cylinder, just, I don't know if it's anyone else's XR5, but I get the most crazy pops out of nowhere, even when I'm doing like nothing. Like that was a really, really low like RPM shift, and it did a massive pop. So just trying to eyeballs here. Also just adjust the microphone. That's not bad. But yeah, I've been meaning to do this for a while. I just have not had the time to kind of get the car out for a video. So little kid here. Yeah, I don't know. I've been pretty busy studying and whatnot. So currently trying to save up and hopefully get this thing tuned. As I said, I got all the bolt-ons for stage 2. So you know, it's all on the car. I just need to figure out which tune I want to go with, which is a bit of a debate amongst people. You got OEM denied, Dream Science is another popular one. So yeah, there's a few different options. But yeah, I'm mainly just looking for something that keeps it reliable. Probably a funny thing to say for a car that's modified, but by reliable I mean, you know, limits the amount of potential issues I can have. So yeah, anything that can do that, it would be sweet. So yeah, I mean, she's pretty good now. I don't know the power figures for this car. I really don't. I've had that question asked a lot, saying how much power does it make? Quite frankly, I do not know. I think stock, these are 225 horsepower, 166 kilowatts. I got no idea how much this would have. Yeah, I don't know, I'd like to say maybe 170, maybe 180, but that could be pushing it. Someone with more knowledge would probably be better equipped to answer that question, but yeah, no, it's a very fun car. Yeah, I've got a lot I still want to do to it. I still want to lower it, still want to get a tune, still got a few more cosmetic things I'm looking at doing. But yeah, nah, great fun. What was I also going to tell you guys? Oh, merch. I've also got more merch on the way, t-shirts and things like that. So Got the original t-shirt designs, which I still have a few of if any of you guys are interested. And I'm also working on some more stickers and potentially air fresheners. I'm just kind of testing the waters at the moment to see what you guys would be interested in. So I'll put a few polls up on my stories and yeah, see what you guys think. But yeah. Pretty busy through here today, Jesus. Then again, it is a Saturday, so I'm not surprised. Probably lots of tourists up here. Yeah, lots of people out. Probably should have picked a better spot than a 40 zone. But hopefully we'll see some cool beach spots soon. At least the intake sounds good. I got the little earpiece in my ear, as I told you guys before, so I've got like audio from the engine bay. And yeah, sounds pretty good. It's just a lot of people on the road, so and back to a stop. Anyone with a manual knows how painful going at this speed is. See, another thing with this car is, and anyone else who probably has like a modified car, I don't often hear it from the outside perspective. So when I'm driving this car along, especially like around my area, I got a lot of people that aren't too happy. Even if I'm doing the speed limit, like as you guys can see, I'm not going fast. I'm going pretty damn slow. But people, due to the intake noise and potentially the exhaust noise, think I'm going quicker than I am, which is fair enough. Great indication by that guy. But yeah, I don't know, I got a lot of grumpy people who just aren't too happy with this car and its noise. And look, this is 40. So I'm not, you know, not speeding, it's just, it's modified, so it's gonna make noise, just like that M4 or M3 that went past. So yeah, but I love it. Some people love it, some people hate it. Yeah, I got a lot of young people that find it cool, but yeah, no, it's pretty fun, I'm just trying to think of what else I've missed. What else have I missed? Oh yes, videos coming up. So I did record a video at the Holden Museum when I was in Melbourne. That was pretty fun. I had some really unique cars there. So I've got that coming out soon, and I've also got a video of the install for this handbrake cover right here. I don't know if the camera would have picked that up then, but yeah, the handbrake cover that's there. Yeah, I did an install video on that, so that'll be out in about a week or two, possibly. Just trying to space the videos out, so like one video a week, just so it's consistent. Because I don't want to overload you guys with content by having like, you know, 2-3 videos a week. Like I feel like that would just be too much. Pretty nice high rises around here. I'd love to eventually move out and have the XR5 in like a cool underground car park sort of thing. That'd be pretty dope. I just don't know which area of the Gold Coast I'd move to along here. I wouldn't want to be like too far away from home, but at the same time, yeah, I'd want to be like close-ish. But yeah, as long as the XR5 had good parking, or whatever car I have in the future, that's kind of all that matters to me. Or somewhere where I can like wash it potentially underground, or at least keep it clean. Because at home, this car gets an awful lot of dust. So yeah, it's quite annoying having to wash it as frequently as I do. But yeah, it's not too bad. These apartments right here are pretty cool. These ones. pretty snazzy. So yeah, there you go. There's a limo right there. I'm just trying to be wary for cops and things. I don't think they would tell me off. I'm not really doing anything illegal per se by having a headpiece in, because I see heaps of people driving, but they might wonder what the wire is. Look at that, speak of the devil, another XR5 turbo. A white one, how good. It was meant to be then, this drive, it seems. That's another thing, I rarely actually see other XR5s on the road. Yeah, the chance of me seeing one, Jesus, do people not know how to indicate? Chance of me seeing one is pretty slim. Yeah, I just do not see them around much. Most of the time they're just up in Brisbane usually. So yeah, on the Gold Coast I don't see a whole lot. So it's cool to actually see one when you do, because you're like, oh shit, there's another one. So oh, probably shouldn't have said that. Don't know if I can swear. I'll just bleep it out. But yeah, no, I love seeing other XR5s on the road. Usually I just give them a wave, or like, not high beam them, but flash my fog lights at them to say hello. So damn, 30k an hour. You guys are just getting like the low RPM sort of flutter out of the car. It's pretty tight through here too, actually. I don't come up here with the car often, but it's pretty nice through here sometimes. One thing I hate is the speed bumps. There's a Focus, not an XR5 though. Chuck it into third, may as well. And then I'll probably have to go back to second over the hump. Yep. Jesus, first, second, third. That's what this video is. First, second, and third. There's the Q1 up there, as you guys can see. Basically feels like I'm driving through Forza Horizon 3 a bit in real life. So it's pretty sick how you can kind of just follow this one road all the way along somewhat. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Just got to yeah, be careful while I'm talking, multitasking, recording and whatnot with other people on the road. It's a nice Falcon. But yeah, I reckon once I get through surfers I'll probably have to dip, because it might get too busy with traffic. I don't really know. Lake crossing, yeah. Yeah, I haven't actually been up this way in ages. Jesus, I might be sitting here for a while. I reckon I might actually try and get out of this at the next set of lights or whatnot. Seems to be pretty jammed. There's a nice Sirocco there. I think it's a Sirocco. I think it was a Sirocco R. Could be wrong. Oh, no, I can probably keep going up a bit actually. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, no thanks. Not staying in there. Mr. Roadside gun there, yes. I don't actually come up here at all really, so I don't. It's pretty busy though. Jesus. But you know, I'd like to do more of this sort of stuff. I want to take this car for like a bit of a mountain run or something like that, up to like Mount Tambourine, or maybe like a Beachmont run, something like that. you can't go right, so I'm stuck. Damn it. That's a bit annoying. How's the yellow ST over there? That's pretty cool. I think it's on red P plates. Jesus, pretty screechy. I want to see if I can get back to the beachway, so I might have to go up and out somewhere. Alright, so I've just got back from the drive up to Surfers Paradise with the XR5. Sadly, the microphone setup did not work. I must have not clicked record before I actually started and drove off. So yeah, not the end of the world, but definitely a little bit disappointing. I am planning on taking the XR5 up to Mount Tamborine or Beachmont or something like that, so I'll definitely be able to do it then. I was thinking of even doing it here on the exhaust, just kind of mounting it there or there. I guess wherever suits. I've tried it before, it's pretty good, but I might have to yeah, move it so it's not getting too much wind noise. Also wanted to let you guys know I still have t-shirts available, and I've also made up some pretty sick sticker packs. So yeah, I got one here with the actual XR5. I'll put it down. So I got this one here, as you guys can see, and then one with the logo. So kind of just testing the idea of merch. Yeah, wanting to maybe do air fresheners and things like that alongside other bits and pieces, maybe lanyards, and maybe even banners for my car. And yeah, just in case you guys want one, let me know. So just kind of planning that out. I did have an online store earlier in the year, but I had to shut it down because it was just costing a little bit too much, but I am planning on getting it back up and running. So yeah, it's pretty exciting. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.